This is Muni, growth strategist with Growth Beyond Horizon. So here we are again at Shopify admin page, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys a step by step how you can create discounts on your Shopify store. Simply click on discounts, and here you can see I don't have any current discounts or promotions, so I'm gonna click on create discount. Here you can see I have 4 different options of discounts. Free shipping means I can offer free shipping on a specific amount of order. Let's say I can offer free shipping over $100, and amount of order means I can offer a discount on the total amount of the order. Let's say I can offer 10% discount, and if the order is of $100, then the person just need to pay $90 after the code. And here I have some other options as well. Buy X get Y discount. This means I can offer buy one get one free deal as well. For example, if I'm selling a toy gun, I can offer a free magazine with it as well. The customer just need to put the discount code, and the amount of products means I can offer a specific amount or a percentage on a specific products or collections of products. So I'm gonna set this thing up for you guys. See, here I have 2 options: automatic discount or discount code. I'm gonna go with the discount code, and here the discount code I'm writing is GBH15. See, from here I can select the value percentage, and I'm gonna go with the 15%. From here I can select the specific collection, and I'm gonna select that twice. Scroll down. Here I can select which customers are allowed and what are the minimum requirements. Here I am setting the limit that this code can be used 50 times in total, and here I can set the limit to 1 use per customer as well. From here I can combine this discount with other discounts as well, and from here I can select the start date and end date of this code as well. After all the things, I simply click on save. Here are all the details. After clicking on save, this will take some few seconds, and the code is ready. So I'm gonna show you guys on the page. This the store. Simply go on the categories and scroll down, and I'm gonna go in the toys section, and in the toys section I have 2 current listings of toys. I'm gonna click on this one, and here the internet is slow. Scroll down, and I'm gonna click on the buy now option. No? See, here's I'm on the checkout page. I'm gonna mention the code GBH15, and I'm gonna click on the apply. See, here I get the 15% discount automatically on my order. So this is how you can easily set up a discount code. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more e-commerce related videos.